Hi, Lucas. How you doing, baby? So here is Lujos, just hanging out in her main nesting area. And she chose this spot because of this pattern. The color of these, that's the same color pretty much as her, so she blends in pretty well. Lujos. Come here, baby. Come here. Someone honking for you, baby? And so she has been laying her eggs here. A lot of eggs. Definitely a chronic egg laying. I'm not getting too close, baby. I'm not getting too close. So how did I come up with her name? Basically, first I thought it was a male because I didn't know anything about birds. So I looked online and that looked like a male. Yes, I'm talking about you, baby. But I named him after these prints from the Hortus Eystettensis by Basilius Bessler. These are a couple of the Luxos, German Luxus Luxury Edition, or as we call it, the Deluxe Edition. And it is spelled Luxus, but in Spanish, Lujos, Lujos, means luxuries. So I just spelled it Luxos, combination, Lujos. And in Spanish, Lujos means luxury and beautiful. And she took to this corner. She'd been hanging out in the upper part of this frame because she blends in with that flower, her colors. And by the way, that flower is the one I toyed with, which I made for my avatar on my YouTube channel. I just added the Slava Ukraine. So here she just really blends in. And I think that the previous owners got rid of her because she's a chronic egg layer. And then the other spot that she chose, that corner. She started hanging out on this print because her colors match that. So she started hanging out up there because at first she tried hanging out here. And that didn't work. So she was hanging out up there and then eventually just found the spot here. And and started laying more eggs. She killed this plant. It was so nice. All that's left are the ivy marks on the wall. And then, of course, she picked the kitchen, that spot above the refrigerator, because the kitchen is painted with the base of battleship gray, sponged over with white, so it also matches her color. Hey, baby. Come here, mamas. I'm not going to your nest. Come on. Okay. It's a nice match. Lujos. Pretty baby. Even those little berries hanging match. Camouflage, natural instinct. Beautiful bird. Hey, baby. Hey, pretty baby. Lujos. Doing your curtsy.